Top 5 Best beverage refrigerator. Drinks anytime. Its cooling capacity is the same as normal refrigerators that we use in kitchens. Plus point of beverage refrigerator is that it works quietly. That's the reason people feel comfortable to place it in bedrooms. Number 5 My Idea WHS65LSS 1 single reversible door. Desired temperature. Moreover, it has an adjustable leg, energy-saving technology, separate chiller compartment, and the capacity of 1.5 cubic feet. Mechanical temperature. Large storage areas. Features adjustable legs. Number 4 Avanti Superconductor Beverage Cooler. It offers 2 shelves, an LED light, and soft touch control. Plus, it works on 120 volts with user-friendly features. Glass door. Mirror finish. Soft touch elect controls. Number 3 Edgestar Beverage Cooler. By rotating the knobs according to the required temperature. Moreover, it has a powerful compressor that keeps the drink cold. It also offers manual defrost, removable shelves. Capacity, 62 to 12 ounces. Manual temperature control. Powerful compressor-based cooling. Number 2 Nostalgia Electric's RRF300 STVCO. BG Beverage Cooler has a transparent glass door, and adjustable shelves that allow you to place every shape of bottles by shifting the shelves. It has a small size and attractive look that is perfect for any room decor. Includes 2.33 cubic foot capacity. Adjustable dial control thermostat. Reversible door. Number 1 Danby TBC120 BLS Beverage Center. Will get ice-cold beverages anytime. The Nostalgia Electric's RRF300 STVCO compact refrigerator is available in red color with Coca-Cola written on it. The manufacturer offers a guarantee of 90 days. It has the capacity of 3 cubic feet and uses 120 volts. 3.3 cubic feet capacity. 3 black wire shelves. Key. Tempered glass door.